Alright, so this is our home page. In here I will first build the header component. So here I'll create a folder called as home, and I'll create another folder called as document. Document will see later on. First I'll create header.tsx RAFCE. Let's remove this, and yeah, header. So here what it will be, let me tell you. Class name will be widthful obviously, and max width will be like 7 XL. That's fine. And let's say, let's not do it right here, max width 7 XL. We will do it somewhere else. I will tell you. Header should be full width only anyway. BG blue 800, let's say. And text will be white. Display will be flex. Items will be center. And justify will be between. Okay. And there will be a text. H3. Good morning. Let's write the static name for now. We'll be making it dynamic, don't worry. So sorry, wait a sec. Let me refresh. Nothing is coming. I know the reason why. So let me go to this home, header. Alright, this one. Okay, now let me add some padding. px will be like 4 and py will be 2, and this looks decent. H3 it is. Class name text like Excel. And here we also have one icon basically. Okay, so for that icon what I will do, like let's go to the React icons library. Great, this is what we want. Okay, or maybe something else. Let me see. BS solid grid. Yeah, that's exactly what I want. So first I will install the React icons. npm I -save React icons. Alright, and here now what I will do is that I will add the flex item center, and let's move it to the top side. Okay. Now you see, okay, this is like this, and here what I will do is that let accept the class name top. No, then what I will do is that I will cover it up with like span here, and here class name text to Excel. Let's make it 3XL. Okay, I will not waste too much time of you. Okay, and mr, let's say 2. Styling thing you can do, I mean you can skip some parts as well if you don't really like styling. This is one thing. And now what I will do is that I will create another dot flex dot items center dot gap 2. Alright, and there will be one settings icon. Or let's say there is no settings. So I will see the settings icon from here. This is the best one. CI settings. Text will be to Excel. And look at this. Now these all will be behaving like buttons only, but that feature will be added later on. In here we will add like avatar. So avatar RX avatar. RX avatar. This sounds good. And now what I will do is I will add one more icon. Okay, so let's do it right now. The info icon. So info icon, I guess this one, or BS info. This one will be good actually. This one is what I like. Control C, and there you go. This one is what we wanted. Okay, we will be providing the sign up sign out options as well. We'll be adding a drop down feature here later on, but for now let's focus on the content. Okay, so the header part of our home page is done. Alright, and now we shall be focusing on building the next part. We'll build the recent part. We'll build the shared section. There we'll be showing our documents. Alright, that's what we are going to do. So the header part is done. Now let's start building our recent section.